Pwede mo shoutout? Shoutout kila Mama, Papa, Jay, Cham Cham, Kendra, Vance, BBCO. And then, happy fiesta sa Mabini Trees, Pinamongahan, Cebu. And then, Attorney Extenso family. And then, House of Kraken, shoutout sa inyo. And then, ayun, sa mga taga Cebu, shoutout sa inyo. Sa mga taga Pinamongahan, shoutout sa inyo lahat. Sa Dota Boys, shoutout sa inyo. Okay, God bless.
Alright.
Wala ang shoutout. Shout!
Alright, thank you gentlemen and congratulations.
Happy birthday pala, Kuya Jilly. Jilly Soto. Kapatid ng mama ko, happy birthday. Sa depensa, lalo na sa mga second chance, dami lang second chance, rebounds eh. So, ayun, kailangan namin i-workout yun. Pero good thing na nakuha namin yung panalo. So, yun yung importante.
Thanks, Junmar, and congratulations. We are also joined now by our winning coach, Coach George Galit. Coach, pre-game we talked about how the team is trying to limit turning the ball over and doing more ball movement. Now, at the end of the game, you had 19 assists. However, you had 16 turnovers. Just want to know, Coach, how do you assess your players' performance for tonight?
Tonight it was really good, but but we just have to minimize our turnovers. Because once we had 16, that's really a lot for a team. So they just take advantage of that. So if we commit turnovers, they will just run. So as much as possible, we just have to minimize that and take care of the ball. Because if you don't take care of the ball, this is what's going to happen. They're going to have easy shots, and we won't be able to sprint back down on defense.
Now we open the floor to our friends from the press.
Coach, how would you assess, medyo hindi ka ba satisfied dun sa naging result because hindi kayo makalayo and then Raynor Shine was really attacking until the end?
Well, I'm satisfied sa game mismo namin as a team. Pero yung turnovers nga, we have to minimize for us to not get into this situation. Kasi as what you said, this is a running team. So as much as possible, they want you to commit turnovers and they want you to commit bad shots. That's their way of running the game, and if we do that, then we won't have a chance defending them. And as what I said, we can't give them easy baskets because it's gonna have a hard. In the end, we will have a hard time.
Para sa ulit daw. I'm really surprised. San Miguel Beer went through a series of traumatic experience before winning the game. What went wrong with the game of your players?
Just here, it's here in the stats. We committed 16 turnovers. We average about 9 or 10. So that's if you commit 16 turnovers, that's about 6 or 7 over our average, and that's 14 points. They get easy 14 points. So we just have to take care of that. We have to watch film and point out those mistakes.
Majority of the PPD fans that watch the game tonight give San Miguel a solid opportunity to win the game by big margin. And unfortunately, your players didn't live up to expectations. So kindly give us some sort of explanation.
Well, a win is a win, you don't say my players didn't live up because we won the game. So they lived up to their expectations because we won the game. So I'm really proud of them that we won the game. But we just have to watch film and watch how the turnovers where the turnovers are coming from.
Junmar Fajardo is the most dominant player, and no one or nobody from Reynosa can match the skills offensively and defensively of the 6'10" behemoth from Cebu. Now, can Junmar Fajardo again help the team in the succeeding games on the way to the finals?
I already told you, this is Junmar's team. Junmar,
Right.
the ball revolves to Jun, to this big boy here. So, Junmar is a big factor in
Yeah.
this team. He helps his teammates get better. That's Junmar Fajardo.
Last question. Coach Ingyal said the other night that nothing to lose. Reno said nothing to lose, but many things to gain against San Miguel. Are you aware of that?
If Rain or Shine says that, Rain or Shine deserves to be in the semifinals. They're a great team. As what I said, they're young, they're great, and if they don't deserve to be here, they wouldn't be here. So Rain or Shine, you're saying is just a team here? No, it's a good team. It's a well balanced team, and it's well coached.
Thank you so much, Coach.
Yes. Sorry.
Yung bigs kasi ng Rain or Shine not foul trouble. So, was it something na talagang you kinda wanted to happen dahil nga yung sinasabi nga rin ni Coach Yeng, wala silang pantapat kay Junmar?
Definitely, we have to take advantage of what we have, and we have Junmar, so we have to take advantage of him, and we have to evolve through him, which he's doing great, and he's doing great making his teammates better. But yes, that was the game plan, to give the ball to Junmar and let their big mans get their big guys get into foul trouble, because it's a team that likes to shoot threes. So Junmar again has to extend his defense on those big shooters. Like Bo, he had 4 or 5, I think. I didn't check yet, but Junmar was there trying to challenge the shot.
A question for Coach and Junmar. Speaking of Rain or Shine's big men, one of them, Bo Belga, had an explosion in the third quarter. I believe most of his points came in that penultimate period. Coach, how hard was it to limit Bo pagdating na nung fourth quarter?
That's right. It's hard. It's very hard because he's a big man that can shoot, can drive, can do everything. So that's why we want Junmar, because he mostly got Junmar. So we want the ball with Junmar so he gets into foul trouble. So Coach Yang will just have to bring him out of the game.
Sa'yo, Junmar, gaano kahirap i-limit si Bo, especially nung fourth quarter na?
Mahirap kasi tumitira talaga si Bo sa sobrang taas ng percentage niya sa 3 points. So kailangan ko i-extend yung depensa ko. Tapos pag i-extend ko naman yung depensa ko, tapos pag niminti siya, so mahirapan, walang rebound. So ando naman yung mga teammates ko, tinutulungan naman nila ako. So thankful ako sa nila. Pwede mo shoutout? Shoutout kila Mama, Papa, Jay, Cham, Kendra, Vance, BBCO, and then Happy Fiesta sa Mabini Tris, Pinamongahan, Cebu, and then Attorney Extenso family, and then House of Kraken, shoutout sa inyo, and then ayun, sa mga taga Cebu, shoutout sa inyo, sa mga taga Pinamongahan, shoutout sa inyo lahat, sa Dota Boys, shoutout sa inyo. Okay, God bless.
All right.
Wala ang shoutout. Shout.
All right. Thank you, gentlemen, and congratulations.
Happy birthday pala, Kuya Jilly. Jilly Soto. Kapatid ng mama ko, happy birthday.